Hey cuties, have you ever wondered how Chinese students' secret to get a plus in their exams? Here I am with 6 core principles and techniques deeply rooted in Chinese study culture and traditional learning philosophies. The 3-pass reading technique: instead of trying to absorb everything at once, approach complex texts in 3 stages. First for quick scanning and main ideas, second for deep comprehension and note-taking, and third for critical review and memorization. Error notebooks. Quotibin: keep a dedicated notebook exclusively for mistakes. Write down every problem you got wrong, analyze why you made the error, note the underlying rule or formula, and resolve it periodically until you master it. Deep retrieval practice. Moxie: rather than passively rereading notes, practice writing out formulas, vocabulary, or concepts entirely from memory on a blank sheet of paper, then cross-reference with your sources to spot gaps. Focus time blocks. Adopt strict periods of uninterrupted, single-task concentration. Eliminate all micro-distractions, like checking notifications, to build deep work stamina required for intensive exams. The Feynman connection. Practice explaining complex ideas in your own words to someone else or to an imaginary student. If you cannot explain a concept simply, you haven't fully mastered it. Microspaced repetition. Inspired by Confucius, review the old to understand the new. Review fresh material within 24 hours, then again at 3-day, 7-day, and 30-day intervals to lock information into long-term memory.